What's going on, everybody? Hanging out, me and Albert. So, been about 5 months. 5 months, wow, since I made my last video. So, in this video, I'm going to just kind of explain myself and why I haven't made a video, and then we'll catch up to the car and what's been done to it and what's going to be done to it in the coming videos, what I've been doing and why I haven't made a video. I'm wearing a plain colored t-shirt. It's because I just took off my suit because I had an interview today at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. Yeah, so that's why I'm awkwardly wearing this. So as you saw in the last video, I was driving to Hyundai to go get the transmission fluid fixed to where it should be, and I graduated from college. So a mixture of things have been the reasoning why I did not make another video. One, I graduated. Life's been pretty rough, being poor. So being broke is number one. Number two, I moved. So where am I right now? I'm in my new apartment, and I might show you that in another video when I clean. So moved to a new city, Nashville, and I didn't know if you all knew this, but it is very expensive in a big city compared to where I just came from. So been broke enough to pay, my bills. I have had no no money to throw into her, so I can't really make a video about me being poor. I could, but I didn't want to. So I came about this close, guys, to just selling her as is. I put her together and put the wrap on her, and just so many things have not went right with the car in sequence that I was just feeling so overwhelmed with the car, not having money to fix the things that I wanted to fix, and I was so overwhelmed. So I had the wrong intent. Let's start with that. I've had the wrong intent with these videos in general and the car itself. So Austin gave me the idea, thanks Austin, to get this car, and I give him shit all the time for it. I really do like the car, and that's the reason why I bought it. But I bought it and fixed it up honestly to sell it for profit. And that was my first mistake. I should not have had the intent of investing in a vehicle, for one, and thinking I was gonna have a rate of return at all. So once I got to the point of where, I put so much money into it, and if I put any more money into it, that it was just gonna be a huge loss. Because the vehicle, I've realized after trying to sell it, I have tried to sell the vehicle, that it is not worth half as much to anybody else as it is to me. And that's because it's a rebuilt title, obviously. How hypocritical is this? Every time that I've seen, and I've been buying vehicles for years, every time that I've looked at a vehicle and see rebuilt title, immediately don't look at the vehicle anymore. But whenever I try to sell my vehicle, knowing good and well that it's in great condition, mechanically, cosmetically, it's in 8 out of 10 condition, I'm like, why does nobody buy this? I'm like, why does nobody buy my vehicle? And when they try, they try to, you guys, I have the amount of boot people have tried to give me with no cash for this car is insane. They're like, hey, I'll trade you 2 98 Mustang base coupes for your car. I'm like, what? No. They're like, okay, how about $1,000 on top? I'm like, your cars are worth $500 a pop. Why would I want those? So anyway, so the amount of just crazy trades I've tried to get, and even when it's far to drive a vehicle to somewhere, let them drive the car, let them put it up on a lift and give me an offer that was $300 less than my bottom dollar, and I didn't take it. So I came about this close to selling it. And after that moment, right there, when I said no to my bottom dollar, and I stuck to it, I knew that I was doing it all wrong. I was like, I do not need to sell this car. I need to keep it, and I need to make it a project car that I'm just gonna keep. So enough about me, enough about my excuses of why I haven't made a video. Let's talk about the car first. I'm gonna talk about the car, then we'll get some up close. Honestly, I'll be completely honest with you, it's gonna be tomorrow because I'm filming this today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be working on the car and showing you the car in the garage. So the car itself is pretty much, I mean, it is in one piece for sure. I've been doing some things to it to try and get it 100%. The air conditioner last week, just got it fixed. It took $900, by the way, to fix the air conditioner itself. Had to get a new compressor on it. New is like $800, so that's cool. Love you, Hyundai. But yeah, so over here, as you can see, got a fender. Other one's bent a little bit. You know, just want to get a new fender. Right here is what I'm very excited about. These boxes right here. I have some Plasti Dip. So I got the sprayer, gonna make it look actually good. Bought it from dipyourcar.com. And so I'll do a separate video on that it'll probably be the next video, will be of me actually dipping the car. Not gonna tell you the color yet. So I got those things to throw on, got that to do. Going to Import Alliance, Austin and I, here in Nashville next Friday. Then I'll probably get all this done tomorrow, and then the transformation will be the video after that. All right, guys, here we are with the car. There she is. So let's do a little walk around first. All right, so that's pretty much her. That's the red. So yeah, at first I thought the red was gonna be a good idea. I like red cars, but the wrap just turned out to be like a 6 or 7 out of 10. I don't know. We just didn't have any experience doing it, and I was kind of in a rush, you know, to get it done and whatever. But I'm going to pull it in here, and we're gonna dip it. So I have to pull all this wrap off. So we kind of skipped over everything that I was supposed to show you initially. Me wrapping it, me and Austin wrapping it, you know, the hood, everything that was supposed to go on. Ditch all that. So yeah, I'll make another video after this of just me dipping it. That's the car. All right, got her in the garage. She's running. So as you, I hate that. So as you can see, we got the exhaust on there. It's muffler delete. Muffler delete there, then we got the spoiler on. What else we got? We got the hood. I don't know if you all know. You guys didn't see that. Right there, carbon fiber hood. Matches up pretty well as it can. I don't really have the cash to get new wheels on it right now, so obviously I'll be showing that in the future. But they're just dip black here. All this is gonna change, by the way, in the next video. But I just kind of want to show you, update you on what the car looks like right now. And under the hood, nothing special yet. And then, yep, just tint all the way around. It's been in one piece for 5 months now. But yeah, just kind of want to show y'all what it looks like. Obviously, everybody, you guys have seen the inside. Got a bunch of stuff in there right now, as you can see. There she is. So, god dang it. Next video will be me actually dipping it, and I'll probably show me stripping off this beautiful wrap here that we spent hours and days slaving over. So you'll catch that in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Just kind of wanted to catch you up with what we're doing, and then on to the next. All right, guys, so as always, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to keep up to date with what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. But I reassure you, I will never wait this long to make another video. It has just been a very stressful time, and I actually have an income now, so I can actually do things to this car and to foreshadow the car that I will be buying in the future. Won't be this nice, but it will be used for a exciting sport that I hope Austin will join me on this endeavor. Here in the future, I will be starting another project. So if you want to see that material, subscribe and keep watching, guys. But I'm gonna start on the dip and start making that video, and hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.